Hey guys, PepperAmmy here. This week we are making some chocolate ganache truffles. Now these are really simple and easy to make, and it's a great last minute video for someone who's been busy all week, as I'm currently packing to go on holiday over Christmas. But more on that at the end of the video. Now for this recipe you want 300 grams of a nice dark chocolate, 2 tablespoons or 30 grams of unsalted butter, or you can use salted if you wish, and half a cup or 125 mils of cream. Now you probably want to use a nice rich full of fat cream. And then you want to place your cream, your chocolate and your butter all in a microwave safe bowl and microwave for roughly 2 minutes in 30-second or so bursts, stirring in between. Now I unfortunately have to use 1 bar of dark chocolate and 2 bars of hazelnut chocolate, as the shop has no dark chocolate because it's Christmas and everyone's using chocolate for recipes and things. So yeah, I kind of got myself on this one. But anyway, once your chocolate has melted and it all comes together to form ganache, you want to cover your bowl with a plate or some cling film, let stand to let cool, and then place in the fridge. Now you want to leave this in there for a good 5 to 6 hours or even overnight if you can. Now don't put this in the freezer, otherwise funky stuff will happen and you're not wanting to freeze it, you're just wanting to chill it down. You don't want to get ice crystals forming in this, otherwise it's not going to set properly. Now for rolling the truffles, I went for the glove technique, which as it turns out, yeah, you get air in your gloves. Really good way of keeping a nice warm pocket of air in there, and a great way to melt your ganache as you're trying to roll it. But anyway, you want to take a good spoonful and roll it into a ball. Now you can use something like frozen vegetables or something to chill your hands down, or you could just do this somewhere slightly cooler than a well-heated house, because it is pretty cold outside. I did consider doing this in the conservatory. And you want to roll all of these into balls. Now as for toppings, you can sprinkle with cocoa powder, you can do flaked coconuts, you can do sprinkles, you can do hundreds and thousands, you can do pretty much anything you want. Or if you're feeling brave enough and yours came out nice and smooth, you don't even have to coat them, but they will get sticky at room temperature pretty quickly, as this is just basically ganache. Now, once all of your balls are nice and rolled, coat them in your coatings of choice, and then place back in the fridge to firm up a little bit more, just before serving. And there you have it, a really simple ganache truffle, which, great at the holidays. You can gift them to people, just make sure they're nice and chilled before you serve them, otherwise they can get quite gooey. But anyway, as I was saying at the start of the video, I am not here over Christmas, and yeah, I've had a lot on my mind recently because I'm seeing family and friends that I've not seen for best part of 6 years thanks to the virus. And yeah, I've been packing and just trying to get stuff sorted here, tidying up, sorting out stuff for the pets whilst we're away. And yeah, so I'm going to be uploading just some like Merry Christmas and Happy New Year videos. So no cooking videos for the next 2 weeks, unfortunately, as I just haven't had time to get a backlog. I did have plans, but other things came up. And yeah, hopefully I will see you all again on the other side of the new year. As always, if you did enjoy the video, let me know down below with a like and a comment. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe for free weekly cooking content, and I will see you all again next year. Or technically in the next 2 videos, but yeah, not cooking. Anyway, thanks for watching.